CBN's policy that restricts access to foreign exchange for importation of 41 items is forcing manufacturers to look inwards, thereby boosting local manufacturing and conserving reserves, writes Obin Achima. The saying, "necessity is the mother of invention," which means difficult situations inspire ingenious solutions, can be fittingly used to describe the outcome of the Central Bank of Nigeria's decision about 2 years ago to restrict access to foreign exchange for the importation of 41 items. The CBN was heavily criticized when the policy was announced. But the banking sector regulator maintained then that it was basically born out of the need to conserve scarce Forex, and make firms in the country to look inwards in line with its drive to support the federal government's import substitution strategy. Restricted items. The CBN had in June 2015 classified 41 items as not valid for foreign exchange, on the grounds that they could be produced in Nigeria and there was no rationale for depleting the country's reserves on their importation. Some of the affected items were rice, cement, margarine, palm kernel, palm oil products, vegetable oils, meat and processed meat products, vegetables and processed vegetable products, poultry, tomatoes/tomato paste, soap and cosmetics, and clothes. Others included Indian incense, tinned fish in sauce, cold-rolled steel sheets, galvanized steel sheets, roofing sheets, wheelbarrows, headpans, metal boxes/containers, enamelware, steel drums and pipes, wire mesh, steel nails, wood particle boards and panels. The action was taken at a time the economy was confronted with falling gross domestic product growth rate, rising inflation, persistently high interest rates, falling foreign reserves, and depreciating exchange rate. Foreign reserve accretion. The dogged implementation of the Forex restriction policy has led to a 65% drop in Indiana, the country's monthly import bill, from an average of $5.5 billion to $1.9 billion as of half-year 2017. In 2016, the first year of implementation of the policy, the country's import bill fell to $2.1 billion. This has helped the accretion of the country's foreign reserves, which currently is at its 40-month high of $38.20 per cent. In January 2014, Nigeria's reserves were about $40 billion, and by October 2016, it had dropped to $23 billion, all because of the hemorrhaging of foreign exchange. The present value shows a significant improvement. In fact, in 2016, which was the RST full year of implementation of the policy, rice exports to Nigeria fell by 99% to only 784 metric tons. The significant reduction in imports of rice from Thailand saved over $600 million to Nigeria in 2016 alone. Interestingly, the fall in imports has been largely led by a boost in local rice production. For example, employees at Labana rice mills in Kebbi State are trying to keep pace with demand, processing 320 tons of rice a day, a 250% increase from the previous year. From Kano, UMZA Rice has expanded its milling capacity substantially to the extent that with the recent bumper paddy harvest, the company today takes delivery of over 100 trucks of paddy rice daily. Clearly, the reliance on imported items had led to a huge demand of Forex and significant depreciation of the naira through the years.